Okay, so the US clean energy scene is absolutely exploding, but there's a big fight brewing. Get this. In just one quarter of 2025, solar installations shot up by almost half. So, with all this good news, why on earth is the industry suing the government? Let's dig in. Okay, headwind number one. A bunch of energy groups are actually suing the IRS, and it's a big deal. This is about the 5% safe harbor rule. For years, it was the key to financing huge projects. But then the IRS just got rid of it. That completely pulls the rug out from under developers. The lawsuit says this is totally unfair. It creates chaos and seems to single out solar and wind. Right, the whole point of these laws was to help investment, not mess with it randomly. And the drama doesn't stop there. Now let's talk about this permitting paradox. So the SPEED Act was supposed to be great, a way to speed up approvals and cut the bureaucracy. But a last-minute change gave fossil fuel projects a special pass. Clean energy groups were not happy. Okay, so those are the headwinds, but don't worry, there are some serious tailwinds pushing back hard. Just think about this. In 2025, solar made up more than half of all new power on the grid. And while Washington is in this tug of war, individual states are just getting it done themselves.
For a totally different playbook, let's take a quick look at what Japan's doing.
They're not messing around. We're talking over $1 billion in straight-up subsidies for companies. And it's all part of a super clear national plan. They have really ambitious goals for 2040. So yeah, that's the whole story. It's this constant tug of war, roadblocks versus massive momentum. Which leaves us with the big question, which of these forces is actually going to win?